Hi everyone, my name is Pranali Mistry. Welcome back to my IGTV. This video is not just about the hair care routine or the products that I use. It is also about those little tips and tricks that I do every single time I wash my hair or every single day, you can say, to maintain the hair that I have. Number one, sleep with your hair up or tied. This avoids your hair from getting tangled or oily. I have very oily skin and the most amount of oil is produced at night. So when my hair comes in contact with my face, my hair only tends to get oily. Hence, if you don't want to tie it, if you think that it might get a shape when you wake up, just put them up, lay them up and then sleep. This way it will not come in contact with your face and get tangled or oily. Number two, comb your hair before washing. All of us, I think, have this really silly habit to comb our hair when it's wet or damp. That's when it's prone to breakage the most. Hence, when you comb your hair before you wash it, it comes out pretty untangled after you've washed it. And it's easier to comb your way through the hair. Hence, less breakage. Number three, super basic but very important. Shampoo only for your scalp and roots, conditioner only for the ends. I recently started using the Kelesta Berry Blush shampoo. It cleanses and purifies the scalp, treats dandruff and itching, and gives all the nutrients that your hair requires. And this results in hair growth. I follow it up with the Berry Blush conditioner. It strengthens and moisturizes your hair, reduces frizz, and gives all the nutrients required for that healthy, bouncy, and soft mane. Number four, I use my hair serum, hair gel, whatever, in my damp hair. I do not wait for my hair to get dry. I use it in the damp hair. And I'm using the Kelesta Aloe Vera gel with vitamin E, which is for hair and for skin both. Number five, we have heard it from everyone, and that is do not comb your hair when it's wet. I only comb it when it's 70 to 80% dry. Number six, pat your hair dry, don't rub it. The day I imagined what rubbing your hair can result into, I stopped doing it. It only creates more friction between the hair and frizz. And the last one is wash your hair regularly. You know how they say you should wash it once a week. Some say you should wash it every day. Some say you should wash it every 2 days, every 3 days. Everybody has their own cycle. Find out your cycle and follow that. When you think your hair is enough oily, enough greasy, enough itchy, wash them. Do not wait for them to get over dirty, because that's only unhealthy for your hair and scalp. Washing your hair time to time and keeping your scalp and hair healthy can actually help you avoid a lot of other hair problems like dandruff, greasy scalp, itching, hair fall. I genuinely follow these tips and tricks and my hair care routine with Kelesta. You can shop the products from the link in my bio and use the code Pranali25 and get 25% off on your order. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you all have healthy and happy hair. Bye.